Luxury Portacabin manufacturing in Jeddah embodies a fusion of opulence, functionality, and cutting-edge design. These bespoke structures cater to clients seeking unparalleled comfort and sophistication in temporary or mobile accommodations. In terms of design, luxury Portacabins in Jeddah boast innovative architectural concepts and premium materials. From sleek exteriors to meticulously crafted interiors, every detail reflects elegance and refinement. High-quality finishes, including fine wood veneers, polished metals, and designer fixtures, contribute to a luxurious ambience. Comfort is paramount in luxury Portacabins, with climate control systems ensuring optimal temperature regulation. Regardless of external conditions, plush furnishings, ergonomic seating, and state-of-the-art entertainment systems elevate the living experience, creating a retreat-like atmosphere. Moreover, luxury Portacabins in Jeddah often feature custom-designed layouts and amenities tailored to individual preferences. This may include spacious living areas, gourmet kitchens, spa-inspired bathrooms, and integrated smart home technology for seamless control of lighting, security, and entertainment systems. Beyond aesthetics, luxury Portacabins prioritize convenience and privacy, with enhanced sound insulation and advanced security features providing a sense of exclusivity and tranquility. In summary, luxury Portacabin manufacturing in Jeddah epitomizes refined living in a portable setting, offering discerning clients the ultimate combination of comfort, style, and functionality in a versatile and mobile package.